Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English Together. In the previous video, we learned 30 useful daily English sentences with meanings and examples. I hope you practiced those sentences. In today's lesson, we are going to learn another 30 important sentences from 31 to 60, which you can use in your daily life. As usual, for each sentence, I will explain the meaning and give 2 simple examples. Let's continue. Sentence 31. What's your name? We use this sentence to ask someone's name. Example 1. Hello, what's your name? Example 2. Teacher asks a new student, what's your name? Sentence 32. My name is... We use this sentence to tell our name. Example 1. My name is Ravi. Example 2. Hello, my name is Priya. Sentence 33. Where are you from? We use this to ask about someone's place or country. Example 1. Where are you from? Example 2. He asked me, where are you from? Sentence 34. I am from. We use this to tell where we are from. Example 1. I am from Hyderabad. Example 2. I am from a small village. Sentence 35. Nice to meet you. We say this when we meet someone for the first time. Example 1. Hello, nice to meet you. Example 2. She said, nice to meet you. Sentence 36. How old are you? We use this to ask someone's age. Example 1. How old are you? Example 2. Teacher asked, how old are you? Sentence 37. I am years old. We use this to tell our age. Example 1. I am 20 years old. Example 2. He said, I am 18 years old. Sentence 38. What do you do? We use this to ask about someone's job or work. Example 1. What do you do? Example 2. He asked me, what do you do? Sentence 39. I am a student. We use this to tell our occupation. Example 1. I am a student. Example 2. She said, I am a student. Sentence 40. I work as a... We use this to tell our job. Example 1. I work as a teacher. Example 2. He works as a driver. Sentence 41. Where do you live? We use this to ask about someone's place of living. Example 1. Where do you live? Example 2. Friend asked, where do you live? Sentence 42. I live in... We use this to tell where we live. Example 1. I live in Delhi. Example 2. I live in a small town. Sentence 43. What time is it? We use this to ask the time. Example 1. Excuse me, what time is it? Example 2. He asked, what time is it? Sentence 45. I am hungry. We say this when we need food. Example 1. I am hungry. Let's eat. Example 2. After work, I feel hungry. Sentence 46. I am tired. We say this when we feel tired. Example 1. I am tired after work. Example 2. She said, I am tired. Sentence 47. Let's go. We use this to suggest going somewhere. Example 1. Let's go to the park. Example 2. It's late. Let's go. Sentence 48. Come here. We use this to call someone. Example 1. Come here, please. Example 2. Mother said, come here. Sentence 49. Go there. We use this to tell someone to move to a place. Example 1. Go there and sit. Example 2. Teacher said, go there. Sentence 50. I am ready. We say this when we are prepared. Example 1. I am ready for the exam. Example 2. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Sentence 52. Are you ready? We ask this to check if someone is prepared. Example 1. Are you ready for the class? Example 2. Friend asked, are you ready? Sentence 53. I like it. We use this when we like something. Example 1. I like this movie. Example 2. I like your idea. Sentence 54. I don't like it. We use this when we do not like something. Example 1. I don't like spicy food. Example 2. I don't like this place. Sentence 56. It is very good. We use this to describe something positively. Example 1. This food is very good. Example 2. Your work is very good. Sentence 57. It is not good. We use this to describe something negatively. Example 1. This food is not good. Example 2. This plan is not good. Sentence 58. I am happy. We use this to express happiness. Example 1. I am happy today. Example 2. She said, I am happy. Sentence 59. I am excited. We use this to express excitement. Example 1. I am excited about the trip. Example 2. She said, I am excited. Sentence 60. I am nervous. We use this to express nervousness. Example 1. I am nervous before the exam. Example 2. He said, I am nervous. In today's lesson, we learned 30 more daily English sentences, from 31 to 60. Practice these sentences every day and try to use them in real conversations. In the next video, we will learn another 30 powerful sentences. Keep learning, keep practicing, and improve your English step by step. Thank you for watching Learn English Together.